Guys, what's up? Okay, let's go. Oh no, it's not raining anymore. No. Okay, I got the part. I think, yeah. I'm gonna put it on in a couple minutes. Maybe I'll show you probably on this vlog. I'm gonna eat lunch and I'm gonna be with two more of my friends. Their name is Sophie and Mason. And I'm gonna be with them in the next couple vlogs maybe. Because I'm going to their house for a little while. So yeah. I cannot do more than like crashing stuff, because if I crash my RC cars, then I'll have to order more parts, and that's a problem because I have no time to order parts. We have to crash stuff and break it and fix it. Oh, it's too hard. Oh no, we don't know how. We don't have the piece. Uh-oh. So we're probably going to be racing maybe. I don't know. Yeah, probably racing. I fixed the piece, or no, I didn't fix. I'm gonna fix the piece in about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm gonna put it on my car, and then yeah, we'll do some RC things. I'm gonna drive my car through water, so let's see how this goes out. Okay, I'm gonna go put this on the table. I'm gonna go grab the RC car, and then yeah, we're gonna get started. Okay, let's do this. Hi, boy. Okay, we're almost there. Hey, we can use that light again. Remember that? That was a good light. Did it really work? Let's grab my remote. My Traxxas car. Of course, the car. I don't know where the screwdriver kit is. I have to find that. And yeah, I think we are all set. Okay, let's do this thing. I'm gonna just keep car, of course. Okay. Okay, now let's go over here. No, come on. I'm the one. Okay. Now let's go get the screwdriver kit. I'll be right back. Pretty sure that's in the garage. Yeah. I do not see it. Just check one quick thing right quick. Nope, not in here. It's gotta be in the house. Here it is. Okay, now I have everything we need. Just gonna be working on my car. Okay, right back. Oh, come on, boy. I use this to hold up my camera because I have no other way. Okay, let's go right here. Set you up on there. There you go. Oh. here's the power cell, LiPo battery, or when I say battery, yeah. Okay. Let's see, hold on, really quick. I just need to grab something. Okay, now let's unscrew most of this. Yeah. Okay, once I can get this off, I can put the replacement on. Okay. I think I got it. I got part of it anyway. Okay. Turn it over on this side. Okay, I think. I don't even know if the battery's charged. We might have to charge the battery. And first, the top screws. Okay, well I just saw that the shock, the metal bar, is moved up. And the shock isn't even connected right, so yeah, this we can't drive today. There. Okay, first you just need to screw these things back on. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, come on. Okay, guys, we're gonna wrap up this vlog. Hope you liked this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Next video, we're gonna have to go to Superstition Hobbies in a little while. I'm probably gonna video that because the shock came out of its socket, so the metal pry bar is out of the shock. So we're gonna have to buy a new shock maybe. And the bumper and everything like that, the bumper broke in half. So the new one that I got, I don't know where it is. It's in the house, yeah, right there in the orange package. You probably can't see it. Yeah, you can't see that. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like this video. And remember, watch King Johnny. He does some cool things, gaming, PlayStation stuff, Star Wars Battlefront stuff, and he does Chubby Bunny challenges and He does mainly challenges, but he does a lot of other stuff too. So yeah, make sure to look at him. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Bye.